Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. Where today guys, I'll be showing you how to fix network anomaly. Please try again later on Binance. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store, whichever you of course have, and download the Binance application. Now after that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Binance if guys you already do not have an account. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. In the bottom, we have the Markets tab, we have the Square tab, we have the Buy, Sell, Convert, and Deposit tab, the Discover tab, and the last one is the Portfolio tab. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and fix network anomaly. Please try again later on Binance. First of all, there is a few methods that you can use. Method 1 is to clear app cache and data, so you can go on your phone and clear your cache, app, or data. Method 2 is to switch network or SIM card, so both of those. Then method 3 is to disable ad blocker. When you did that guys, if you didn't, that doesn't work, you can then use the method 4, which is to turn your VPN on and then turn it off, and then try it a couple of times. Method 5 is to use the Binance web version instead of the application. Method 6 is to restart your mobile device. And the last method is to contact the Binance support team if your problem is still not solved. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it'll be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I said, that will be everything, and I'll be guys seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, bye guys.